definitely one of the times where I'm like, okay, this was not nutritional. This is just me being stupid and forgetful. So it's fair. Wow, this is such a pretty freaking drive. Yeah, me too. I would say to you guys, this is just part of life on the road, but it's not. This is what being stupid and forgetful is called. Like, had I simply remembered to go buy new tools at the store like I was supposed to, I would have been able to switch batteries myself and I would have been able to do stuff. Taking such a lesson to not be stupid like me and be better. And I will definitely be doing better in the future. Holy cow. I'm just so happy right now. Andrew, thank you again. Happy million. Happy million. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. You saved my whole trip right now.